Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojani Senkunku. I'm the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals, and energy. Walura Kwachita, international petroleum, minerals, energy attorney, expert, and a diplomat of the United Nations. As everybody knows that war official, the Secretary General of the United Nations. The Secretary General is not Antonio Guterres, is not Amina Mohamed, but the Secretary General is Professor Nkunku. Only one man, a general man. Antonio Guterres cannot cross 1,390 poison, but at the United Nations, he cannot speak. Knowing that I belong to the United Nations, he cannot speak. He cannot make press conference and pronounce my name. Okay? I saw Amina Mohamed went to hide. Amina Mohamed went to hide herself. I want just to cry. I will protect Amina Mohamed. I will protect all women around the world. I will protect Amina Mohamed. Okay? It's not the problem. I cannot compete with a woman. It's not the problem of woman. It's the problem of the man in critical time can fight. But a woman, the success of a woman this time is just in slavery. Ono network led by pedocriminal, their shoulder. Okay, it's critical time. No, let us liberate people. When you liberate people, because when I get tired and I can see women leading, if someone wants to target Mama Samia Sulu, if someone wants to target Amina Mohamed, if someone wants to target Céline Dion, if someone wants to target some woman, my sister Palti Sharma, I will be there to intervene. But right now we cannot. That time I will be with casque bleu and weapon to ensure the peace. The peace, if peace, you can build a peace without a weapon. Why United Nations have a casque bleu and a gun? So if I have a weapon, I could protect my mother. I could protect my children. So they said, oh no, you will protect just his children. That, you know, they screened my video when I talked about all people. And my detractor said, no, you will protect just his children. No, my children, bring back my children here. You go to talk about my children bad. You kill my mother. You kill my mother, Barack Obama, Ruto, and Sassou. You kill my mother. You kill Elizabeth II. You kill, you target, you threaten many women. You put their play, they have the play in their height. And in the fact to go to make, to appoint people, you, everybody, all Americans can see how you treat women. Or you have to put Tulsi Gabbard, Congresswoman, under watch terror. But you lose your mind. Ted Cruz, where are you, Ted Cruz? You don't have a testicle? Schumer, you don't have a testicle? Senator Kennedy, you don't have a testicle? They bring fake sex tape in your desk. And you believe to the lie. Nancy Pelosi. I stood for Paul Pelosi. Not because I'm Freemasonry, because I wear black and white, or red and black, but I stood for Paul Pelosi because I respect the Constitution of America. I respect the Charter of United Nations. I respect the rule of law. And many, I intervene for Sister Serena, Sister Venus, Simone Weil. Those are mistreated. So today I cannot let you to threaten my United Nations Secretary General Deputy Tulsi Gabbard. I cannot let you to threaten the Chief of International Security Dmitry Medvedev. I cannot let you. But people can see how you threaten women, like you did it in Pelosi, Nancy Pelosi, with Paul Pelosi. You did it toward my sister, I love more, Stacey Abrams. You did it to many women. You killed Joan Rivers. So the list is too much. What we will discover when I will sit at New York, I will discover the list will go on and on. Schumer, Bernie Sanders, Senator Kennedy, and other Senator McCarthy. We cannot let it happen. Trump, we cannot let it happen. Look at until they come to shoot you yourself. But you didn't believe to me when I was telling you that these people are dangerous. Obama and Biden are dangerous, and those who sponsor them, they have to be removed at the White House. Trump, I call all Americans to put Trump at the power, because Trump is not going to lead himself, only him, but I will watch at the United Nations to make sure that America have a good relationship with the world, respect the Charter of United Nations, respect the sovereignty of all people. I will make sure that the leadership of America is not going to lead the people, American, to death, and put all people around the world to death. I will make sure that you have electricity. You voted the budget of $2,000 billion to make infrastructure. Today, the industry of America cannot run. An industry of America cannot run insufficient of electricity. I analyze the line of China. I encourage, I appreciate what China is doing in technology, revolution in technology. But still China is weak because insufficiency of electricity, the cover of electricity. I appreciate that the power Russia has, but me, I'm not impressed as a UN chief, as first doctor of electricity. So the cover of electricity in the whole territory of Russia is insufficient to rule industry, to boost the BRICS. Same to Brazil, same to African country. When you go to Algeria, Algeria is a poor country. Algeria is poor. Go to see Morocco. You will see many Moroccan people today are in exile, insufficient. How about the people of Sahraoui? Donc il n'y a pas, même dans l'Afrique francophone, une couverture suffisante de l'électricité pour faire fonctionner vos machines. Vous pouvez aller acheter les machines en Russie et tout ça. Mais il n'y a pas assez une couverture en électricité. L'eau, vous buvez l'eau avec, dans les rivières avec les animaux. On ne peut pas continuer comme ça. Donc, Les gens sont broyés par la faim. Les gens sont broyés par la faim. La journée, les gens sont broyés par la faim. Il y a des jeunes avec les CV. Okay? They go to look for job. They never get. When they come back home, they are disappointed. They have a pressure of their parents. Oh, you have this age. You have this age. You never work. Okay? You have this age. You never work. Everybody does want to be president. Everybody does want to be minister. Some of them said, oh, you have to get experience of to be minister. Tell me Kamala Harris to be vice president. Was minister, was secretary cabinet. André Milongo worked for the World Bank. When he finished for the World Bank, he never be minister in my country, but he built economy. The problem of competence is not the problem of woman, to marginalize woman like Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris commits fraud. She should have said, I'm India, because my sister, Palki Sharma, is from India. But you went to make usurpation to say that she's black. That disqualify you. That Obama bring you there. And remember, in the first term, Obama steal my speech to give to Biden. And so you cannot build your credibility by stealing. You cannot do that. So that disqualifies Kamala Harris. What they are doing is just a post. Or they support Kamala Harris everywhere. It's just the post. And the term of Kamala Harris, did you help Dr. Umar Joston? Me, I wanted them to work with me, with Roland Martin and others. So, il y a une couverture insuffisante en électricité pour faire fonctionner vos machines. Regarde, l'électricité de l'Afrique, ce n'est pas la même électricité, par exemple, au Canada, où tu peux toucher l'électricité sans être interlocuté. Sans être interlocuté. Voyez-vous? Sans être interlocuté. Électrocuté, pardon. Électrocuté. Mais l'électricité en Afrique, dès que tu touches, tu es électrocuté. Donc c'est une mauvaise qualité de l'électricité que vous avez qui va voir ça. Dites-moi, vous avez eu des ingénieurs partout. Des ingénieurs partout qui vous a dit ça. Parce que je suis le plus grand spécialiste de l'électricité. Je suis quand même docteur. Un palais international a dit que ce noir-là, c'est le chef, c'est le patron du pétrole et de l'énergie. Go to see the quality of electricity in West and the quality of electricity in Africa and in Latin America. When you touch, but here electricity, when I can touch it, it just burn me, fire me. But how many governments since independence? How many minister, cabinet of energy since independence? How many governments since independence were in 2024? Did they talk? They tell you that? No. So I can show since antiquity and today you are incompetent. Je peux démontrer depuis l'Antiquité jusqu'à aujourd'hui, vous êtes incompétent. Je peux l'affirmer. C'est parce que si la Suisse bénéficie d'une bonne partie de couverture de l'électricité, parce que c'est un petit pays, mais la Chine a des efforts à faire. Et moi, je veux jouer un rôle déterminant. La Russie, qui est un continent, a des efforts à faire. Le Burkina Faso, la Namibie, la Zambie, le Liberia, Nigeria, and they have an effort to say to cover kilometers of electricity and water. So, in the morning, people are hungry. They go with their CV to look for job. They are disappointed. They come home. Hungry, nothing to eat. They don't have peace. And you bring Boko Haram to bomb them. They don't have peace. When they go to sleep at night, there is a mosquito. 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 So at night, when you're supposed to have peace, mosquito come. At night, you don't have a peace. How you can be well mentally, how you can create something. That's the problem of Latin America, the problem of Africa. Est-ce que quelqu'un vous a dit ça? Le matin, on voit les jeunes, pression à la maison. Oh, il faut aller chercher du travail. Vous allez là-bas avec votre CV, vous n'en avez pas. Quand vous rentrez, il n'y a pas à manger à la maison. Vous demandez, est-ce que maman n'a pas préparé? Ou est-ce que maman va avoir l'argent? Elle doit aller vendre son corps. Parce que papa n'a pas de travail. Mais vous dormez tous affamés. Donc comment vous pouvez avoir de l'amour entre vous? Et la nuit, au lieu d'avoir le repos, les moustiques viennent encore. La nuit. Vous n'avez pas dormi la nuit parce que vous n'avez pas la paix. Quand est-ce que vous serez efficient pour produire? Moi, j'ai une vision. Moi, j'ai la compétence. Ce n'est pas l'intention, c'est la compétence. L'économie du Texas, du Nouveau-Brunswick, du Nouveau-Mexique, ce n'est pas Obama qui a bâti. Obama n'est pas professeur d'économie. Aucune université ne peut le prouver. Et moi, l'université de missionnaire du Vatican, Tangaza, à Nairobi, peut le prouver. Professeur de l'économie. L'UNEP peut le prouver, l'économie verte. Professeur des finances publiques. Toutes les nations, le pétrole de toutes les nations, les taxes, qui a rebâti les trésors publics. Ça y est là, la vidéo est en ligne. Donc, qu'est-ce que vous cherchez encore? Donc, j'ai été élu le premier nom maçonnique et le 10e après Antonio Guterres, prêtre ad vitam aeternam, secrétaire général des Nations Unies. Et je veux que vous gardiez espoir, vous venez qu'on puisse travailler. Ce n'est pas un problème d'avoir... Obama n'a pas été ministre avant d'être président. Donc, Kamala Harris, pour être vice-présidente, n'a pas été ministre. La différence est au niveau de l'expérience, de l'expertise et de la compétence. Parce que tu peux être ministre pendant des années, mais sans expérience. Tu peux aussi usurper comme Obama et Kamala Harris. Vous voyez le désastre. On va vous juger au résultat. Vous pouvez mentir au peuple 9 fois. 9 fois, mais la 10e fois, on va vous attraper et on va vous chasser, comme Ben Ali et d'autres. Voilà, on ne ment pas. Vous pouvez mentir au peuple. You can lie to people 9 times, but not 10. And the 10 is me, the first. 1 and 0 is 1, the 10 commandments. God bless all nations. Peace in Gaza, peace in Ukraine, in Russia, peace in Africa, Latin American, peace around the world, security for men, but most security for women and children. God bless all nations. Today, we are August 10, 2024. Thank you.